My name is Josh Page, and today I'm going to be breaking down three main categories, broken down into three graphs, which all amount to which day of the week is the best for revenue generation. So our three categories we have are impression by day, so the number of impressions that you're getting each day. Important thing to note here, Monday being the lowest and Friday being the highest, so more than double. Moving on to the next one, we have hour of day for the impression. So Sunday around 3 o'clock, Monday around 4 o'clock. The average time for an impression on Tuesday being the highest is almost 7 p.m. So they could be getting impressions all the way until 8 p.m., 9 p.m. With less earlier on in the day. Here is almost the opposite. So we're having impressions earlier on in the day, between around 2, almost 3 o'clock. Here we have 4 o'clock, 4 o'clock again, and this is around 2:30, which is similar to Wednesday. So conversion rate by day. So this is the chance, or the average the average that an impression is turned into a sale. So here on Sunday, you have a relatively high, it's 6.6% to make a sale, 9.7% here, so almost 10% chance to make a sale off the impression. Tuesday being the worst day, with about 3% to make a sale, and that's honestly an entire percentage point below any of the other ones. And one other thing to note is that Monday is 3% higher than any of the other days. So you're way more likely to get a sale from your impression on a Monday. Right here, so let's break it down by day. So immediately we can wipe out Tuesday, because Tuesday is around a little bit above average in terms of impressions, but with only a 3% chance of a sale. And if we just click on Tuesday, with only a 3% chance of a sale, and you're getting most of your sales into the evening, it's just not an ideal day for revenue generation. It's just a long day. And then going into Wednesday, we have the majority of their sales coming a little earlier in the day, with around a 5%. That's solid, but when you're comparing only a 5% chance of making a sale to Monday, it's just not comparable. So we're gonna eliminate Wednesday as well. Thursday again, it's kind of the same deal. Thursday is actually even worse than Wednesday, because you have less impressions and also a lower percentage to make a sale, so we can eliminate that as well. Here, this is really our main competitor to Monday, which is Friday. An average sale comes in at around 4 p.m. We have a 5% chance, and it has double the amount of leads as Monday. So those are pretty comparable. Right here you have Saturday, kind of the same thing. Saturday's a pretty solid day. I would probably rank this third, because you have almost a 6% chance of a sale here. You're working until about 3 o'clock, and you have 162,000 here, so pretty solid day. And then Sunday, same thing, we can kind of eliminate that. But between Monday and Friday, so Monday 10%, work until about 4, you have 94,000 leads. So with Monday, since there's less leads, you're going to have less employees that day, so you're going to have to pay your employee, on average, you're going to be paying less to your employees that day, and you're getting more effectiveness out of those employees. You get less effectiveness here, but you get more leads, so you need more employees to answer those calls and to call those people. So I would say Monday is the best day for revenue generation just because you can have less employees in there and they're more likely to make a sale. So thank you for listening. I hope that I was able to pull some valuable information out of this presentation.